The educational path to becoming a veterinarian, it's the first 3 years at St. George's University, and then you go to your clinical year, you'll rotate through the different specialties and services, neuro, cardio, dermatology, general practice, whatever it is. My hands-on experience from SGU going into clinical year was honestly vital. They let you get hands-on from the beginning. I remember touching animals my very first year.
Clinical year has been really interesting because I've gone from seeing the things that I want to see every day, like dogs and cats who come in sick, to then going out and doing a lameness exam on a horse and performing nerve blocks that I've never done before. There's a big benefit to seeing everything that's in vet med because you never know what you're going to like until you do it.
SGU helped me grow personally and professionally because you get to see a little bit of everything, the things you don't always see, so when you do see them out in general practice, you know what to do.
Our goal for the students is just for them to have those hands-on skills. Our motto is just teach one, see one, do one.
My experience with SGU students, I think it's clear their preclinical learning opportunities are tremendous. Those students tend to be more mature and more prepared to essentially take a hold of their education.
So much of vet med is seen as just playing with puppies and kittens, but a lot of our time is actually spent working closely with clients. Our patients aren't able to talk to us. We have to find out how they're doing and what they're eating and how comfortable they are from the owners.
I could never have imagined doing anything else. Once I started doing everything in clinics, I definitely was like, wow, this is like what I'm supposed to be doing.
I think SGU, in a lot of ways, did a really great job preparing you for clinical year, and that made me really feel like, okay, here I am, I'm doing it, I'm finally one day going to be a doctor.